Hi friends. Welcome to my Yosinga Nesinga channel. 5 minimums, the key for a successful life. We all have 5 minutes in our daily routine life. We have 5 minutes between meetings or phone calls. We will be standing in a line or we might be waiting for the lunch. Most of us don't choose to intentionally use those 5 minutes. We will sit and chat. We will be sitting simply for hours. We check our unwanted emails, messages or else browse something. At the end of the day we will wonder how the day went. We will have 5 minutes in each day. Choosing those 5 minutes is in our hands whether you use it wisely or not. Every one of us is different with different goals, values and priorities. Give some positive feedback in a call, in your emails and while conversing face to face. Review your goals and focus on what to achieve. Learn something new like you can read a book, blogs or you can enrich your knowledge with new technologies. Make a progress on your goals. Capitalize your experiences by asking yourself what have you learned? One need to prioritize what are the most and least priorities. Decide how you're going to invest your 5 minutes today. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and share the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Follow on Twitter. Have a nice day.